This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. You must be an administrator and back up the registry because you will edit system settings. Once done, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. This opens Registry Editor. Make sure to navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /Advanced. You do this because Windows 11 removed a built-in GUI for side taskbars. The registry key is the control. Now you add or change the value that controls taskbar placement. Right-click Advanced, choose New Word 32-bit value, name it Taskbar Aligned or Taskbar C depending on your build, and double-click to set a numeric value corresponding to the side you want. Use 0 for left, 1 for center, 2 for right as examples in some builds. Check your Windows version because names vary. After writing the value, click OK and close Registry Editor so you can apply the change properly. To apply the change, you must restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. This forces Explorer to read the new registry value and reposition the taskbar. Make sure to test clicking corners and opening menus to confirm alignment and behavior. If something goes wrong, delete the added registry key and restart Explorer. If corruption persists, use your system restore point. This reverses all edits and brings the system back to the state before changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.